different places that you go. Go, go. Or maybe you come, come. Go, come. And which sign you use, that depends on right now where you are. Again, the sign go, go to, come. Okay, now you go and come where? Ready? Church, church. Also, there's the sign temple, now with a T hand shape, temple. Church, temple. Class, class. The C hand shapes move in a circle. Class. Class, or simpler like this. Class. Dentist. The X hand shape taps the teeth. Dentist. And this sign can mean either teeth or dentist. If I sign I'm going to the dentist, you know that I mean dentist. Dentist. A second sign for the same word, dentist. Dentist. Dentist or dentist. Doctor. Doctor. Think of like checking a pulse, the heart beating. Doctor. Doctor. You may also see it signed with a D hand shape, doctor. It's the same thing. Doctor. Gym. 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 The sign gym is different from celebrate. Gym at the shoulders, celebrate up in the air. Gym. Home. Home. The flat O hand shape. Home. It's where you eat and sleep. So you touch sort of near your mouth and your jawline. Home. Library. Library. Party. Party. A P hand shape. Party. Or party. The movement can change or the hand shape can change. So there are four ways: a P hand shape or a Y hand shape. Party, 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 or party. The sign with a Y hand shape can also mean play. Play, like children playing. The sign with the P tends to mean party. Both can mean party. Party, party. Restaurant. Restaurant, the R hand shape at the chin. Restaurant. Or restaurant. I've seen it start on either side of the chin. Again, the R hand shape touches either side of the chin. Restaurant. School. The flat hands basically clap twice. It's like a teacher maybe wants attention and claps at the students. Look at me. School. School. Store. Store. The flat O gets waved out twice. Think of like a sign someone's holding up. Store. Store. And the sign store, in normal everyday signing, it tends to be much lower. Store. 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 We can add what kind of store, for example, food store, food store, clothing store, clothing store, clothes store, medicine store, the sign with the middle finger, medicine store would be a pharmacy, pharmacy, bookstore, bookstore, job or work, 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 work can mean both the place and the action. I go to work, and what do? I work.